When it comes to safety in your kitchen, the hero might just be something you've never thought about, your LPG gas valve. Picture this, a tiny device, hardly noticeable, but it's what stands between you and potential danger every time you cook. That's right, we're talking about LPG gas valves, the unsung heroes of household safety. These valves control the flow of gas and ensure it's safely delivered from your cylinder to your stove. But not all gas valves are created equal. Quality is key. A high-quality valve is designed to withstand wear and tear and prevent leaks. It's made from durable materials like brass and features safety mechanisms such as pressure regulators and automatic shutoffs. Now, why should you care? Because a faulty valve not only risks leaks but can also lead to gas wastage and inefficiency. Investing in a top-notch valve means safety, reliability, and peace of mind. So, next time you turn on your stove, remember, a little valve makes a big difference. Stay safe and choose quality.